everybody. Stand up. We're going to stretch our bodies, but we're going to do something a little bit different than just regular head and shoulders, knees and toes. We're going to think about the parts of the plant. So let's start at the bottom. The bottom, like our feet, would be the roots. Yes, the roots. And they hold the plant in place. So our feet help us hold our feet in place just like the roots. And then we have the stem. And the stem moves water from the bottom all the way up the top. Just like our body is always circulating. Things are moving around to keep us healthy and happy. The leaves soak up the sun. We soak up the sun. Have you ever gone outside or to the beach and just felt the beautiful sun on your skin? Our skin helps us soak up the sun that we need. Not too much, but just enough. And the flower. The flower grows into a fruit. There we go. And that helps make seeds to make more fruits. So let's use our bodies to sing this song. Do you know the parts of plants, parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants, all kinds of plants that grow and grow? Do you know the parts of plants? Now we're going to touch our toes just like our roots. The roots hold the plants in place, holds them in place. The roots, they hold the plants in place, plants in place. The roots, they hold the plant in place. The roots store food and water too. Now, do you remember what's next? Our stem. So let's touch our legs. Stem moves water up the plant, up the plant. Again, stem moves water up the plant, up the plant. The stem brings water up to the leaves. The stem moves water up the plant, up the plant. Okay, now we're going to put our arms out. We're stretching nice and big. The leaves soak up all the sun, all the sun. The leaves soak up all the sun, all the sun. The sun helps plants to grow and grow. The leaves soak up all the sun. And the beautiful part, the flower grows into the fruit, to the fruit. Let's touch our heads. Flower grows into the fruit, to the fruit. Inside the fruits are little tiny seeds. The flower grows into the fruit, to the fruit. Good job, good stretching, and good job knowing all the parts of the plant.